So, this is the prototype, or the secondary prototype of our spray mechanism. It's getting there. Zip ties, you know. It's alright. It's sitting on there pretty well. In any case, you see that there's this bottom acrylic panel here, of which the spray cans fit inside of. If you want to go ahead and stick that guy in there. Stick him in the middle today. Technically, we'll be able to fit all 3 cans in there, so we can accommodate a full run without having to reload the spray at some point. So right here, it just sits nice and tight in there. Then underneath, there are these 3 metal panels, of which have holes drilled within them. And so the can fits right inside there. Then these strings, of which we're in the process of replacing with brake cable, come back up all the way up to the top here, through the wooden panel here, to these motors, of which we are also developing better gears than out of wood, though these look nice anyway. And yeah, these will hopefully eventually pull the can up, or pull the metal panel that is up, high enough to get that spray can spraying. So we're about to give it a shot. Dylan, if you want to get that spraying, connect the power, hit the button, and we'll see how this goes. Look at that. Sprayed just fine.
That worked surprisingly well.
We kind of nicked the table a little bit, but that's okay. So yeah, that worked out fantastically. Well, yeah. All right, so this is kind of Roberto's second try out somewhere besides the lab itself. We would be testing him on the field, but it's Terre Haute, Indiana, and it's been, we got about 3 to 5 inches in the past 24 hours of snow. So it's a little white out there. So instead we're testing it in the beautiful Myers hallway. Here's Roberto's redesign, in case you haven't seen it before. He has lost a little bit of weight in terms of his wheel kind of connectors there. Those used to be a lot longer. Cut down quite a bit of aluminum by getting rid of some of that. In addition, his new power supply. We've got 2 big old batteries that, well, they have a little bit more amp hourage than the previous ones anyway, so he'll be able to run a lot longer than he used to. In any case, what's happening right now is we're going to try testing Roberto with this little Logitech webcam right here, who is currently going to track the door frame of that end of the hallway, of which you see both Dylan and Brennan waving their hands over there. They're trying to block off the sides of the doorway, which unfortunately happen to look exactly like the center of the doorway, which is what we're trying to track. So what we're going to do is, sorry for the pan, Dylan over here is going to he's going to run the robot via the motor controller down here, which you can see through the batteries. He's going to take that USB based to his laptop, which is running the lab view and the image rec that we want to use, back to, and then using the webcam as well. And so, yeah, we're gonna give him another shot and see if he can get down the hallway in one piece. Like Roberto's ready to go. There he goes. What's he tracking?
He's tracking something here.
He's very much going towards something over there. Yeah, he likes that trash can. He's found that trash can.
That side.
Yeah, no, this isn't. Let's give him yet another shot. Again, rather than the door frame like we might have initially mentioned. Definitely tracking that table now. Keep in mind, this is running only via the image recognition software. It's the only thing letting him know where to go. I think maybe he's anchoring right just a little bit, just due to maybe an imbalance between the 2 wheels, but we'll figure that out. You got it. You got it. And boop. Yeah, he made it. For the second test, we're strapping the laptop onto the robot just to show a little bit that we're not trying to influence him in any way, shape, or form too much. Last long enough. There he goes. And he's tracking immediately towards that trash can. Okay, so on yet another test, we noticed as he entered the carpet on the far end of the hallway, he kind of lost a lot of power. And what it comes down to is these in-hub motors, these AO duos down here, tend to have higher torque, higher speeds, and we were running him at a pretty low speed there. And so as I think that
It's kind of grayscale.
the shift from this system as we have it set up to what we're working with outside between the dirt and the grass, so we want to make sure he has enough torque to get through there. So we're ramping up his motor power, and in the process he's going to, on this tileway, he's going to go about twice as fast as he currently is. We're going to hold the kill switch on this one just to make sure that he doesn't go flying off and destroying the walls more than he already has or something like that. So yeah, it does. See how it does. This is going a little bit better. Some slight deviations here and there, but this is our first test with the vision tracking. It's doing all right. Still tracking the table. Seems to be.
Is this a double speed?
This is double speed, which is, you can see it's moving a lot better. Maybe that was the case. It just didn't have enough torque to compensate. Yeah. Okay, it made it up the hump, and now it's working its way towards the table. And come on, Roberto, and perfect. The table completely encompassed his vision, so he doesn't know what to track anymore.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that was a perfect
I
test.
was kind of worried that will not really. I was really good.
Yeah, we had the cable go, but that was a lot better. That was almost perfect. Yeah.
The